Where are we, babe?
26.
No, what store?
IKEA. There you go. April.
Good job. We don't know if we like that purple color or not. So we're trying to look for another color. It said it's in the aisle 26, but I don't see no colors here.
You sure it wasn't just the beginning of this thing?
No, it says aisle 26.
Oh, okay.
Found a blue one. There's a gray one and a purple one, but he said they're too grandma-ish. So our living room will be blue someday. Blue and white and beige. I could just come back and buy a different color by then. Right?
Or you can customize it yourself.
Oh. This is cool.
Now you always throw your phone battery. Go find a line for it. It's simple.
There's a line right here. Oh, babe, look, deals of the day. Up to 50% off. Yeah, right here.
At least get a ticket.
Ziploc bags.
You don't need 2 cards.
You
don't need 2 cards.
Right here, this one. This is cool, coffee table. Babe, we should get a coffee table. It's only 20 bucks. Look, like this. No, in front of the sofa bed. Where me and Kaylie can do our play activities. Babe. He wants me to organize, yet he doesn't buy me stuff to organize. It's cool. That shelving unit. People look at me weird. It's cool over there. Those beds that you can cover, the double beds. That's cool. Fucking long line. Oops. Sorry, Chris. In the middle. Oh, this is cool. This is a cool little throw. I wonder how much this is. I want that. We'll see if we get it. So, I sent him to go get the card because we're about to pay, so that way we can put the stuff right in the car. Thank you, babe. We just noticed that my money's in here, so how am I going to pay if he takes it? I don't know how I'm going to do this for myself, but you know, it's okay. They'll come up to me, I guess, and scan it. I don't think it's a big deal. There he goes, that beautiful man. So, I was able to find a $20 off coupon online, and instead of it being $319, I went down to $297. Now we're putting the stuff in the car. So, we thought we had gotten everything in perfectly, but then we tried to close it. It won't close. So now I don't know what to do.